The child, who came to visit grandfather's house, during the summer holidays, reached grandfather, and proudly said that,
"Grandfather, when I grow up, I will become a successful man. Can you tell me some ways to be successful?"
Grandfather nodded in yes, and without saying anything, took the boy's hand and took him to a nearby nursery. Going there, grandfather bought 2 small plants, and came back home. Planted the plant in a pot, and kept it inside the house. Now, what do you think, which of these 2 plants will be more successful in future? The grandfather asked the boy. The boy kept thinking for some time, and then said, that
the plant inside the house would be more successful, because it is safe from every danger, while the plant outside is also at risk from strong sunlight, storm water, and animals.
Grandfather said, "Let's see what happens next," and he picked up the newspaper, and started reading. After 3-4 years, once again, that boy came to visit the village, with his parents. Then, when he saw his grandfather, he said,
"Grandfather, last time I asked you some ways to be successful. You did not tell anything, but this time, you have to tell something."
Grandfather smiled, and took the boy to the place where he had planted the plant in the pot. Now, that plant had turned into a tree. Grandfather said, "First look at the condition of the plant outside." And while saying this, grandfather took the boy out. A huge tree stood proudly outside, its branches spread far and wide, and the passers-by standing in its shade were talking comfortably. Now, grandfather asked, "Tell me which plant is more successful?" The boy said with a smile,
"The one outside." "But, how is this possible outside? He must have faced so many dangers."
Grandfather smiled and said,
"Yes, the plant outside had to face many things, but dealing with the problem has its benefits too."
The plant outside had the freedom to spread its roots as much as it wanted, to touch the sky with its friends. And half the storm, which the boy thought was a problem for this tree, the same half storm made the roots of this tree so strong. It is believed